Welcome back everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to hike Cucamonga Peak, but we're also participating in the Life in a Day 2020 YouTube challenge, where we're going to answer these 4 questions. What do you love? What do you fear? What would you change in the world? And what's in your pocket? If you're not already, make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy. Welcome back everybody. I'm here with Josh and you know Josh.
What's up?
And we are here on top of Cucamonga Peak today. It's a super fun, not too difficult 12-mile out and back hike. We climbed about 3,700 feet of elevation. Save yourself about 6 hours to do this trek, and the view is stunning. Money. Love it. So if you're not already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get hiking.
My phone can only take one good frame, not a good frames per second.
Android, bro. That's where you went wrong.
I was like choosing different vocal points. It's kind of cool.
We arrived at the trailhead around 5 a.m. and the parking lot was already full, so make sure to come early. This is the entrance to the trailhead. You'll be taking the Ice House Saddle Trail to Cucamonga Peak. This is a 6-mile round trip, and you want to save about 5 to 6 hours to complete this trek, and you'll be climbing about 3,600 feet of elevation. Hiking another mountaintop here in beautiful Los Angeles, Cucamonga Peak.
Vámonos.
The trail starts off real gradual, and it's really nice because you get to hike right next to a river for the first mile and a half or so. The trail is well maintained. Look for signs for the Ice House Saddle. All right, 1 mile in, 25 minutes in. It's about 6:20 in the morning. It's looking good. I love that beginning part, dude, because it's just like right next to the water.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So refreshing.
So that's 2 miles. That was 24 minutes. That was quick. Moving up this hill. So this is kind of the steep part ish. I'll call it steep-ish. Medium grade. So what mountain is next? We have Wilson to do. And then what? Jacinto should be easy. So this is the direction up to the saddle. So this is the Ice House Saddle. It's a great spot to just relax and have a snack before you continue your trek up to Cucamonga Peak, which is this direction.
I see it's all in your fucking cap.
And then this way, or?
No.
Okay. It's beautiful. During this part of the trail, it's a bit sketchy because the path is very narrow and there's a lot of loose rock and gravel, so take your time here. About 3 miles in, you'll see some caves on the right-hand side, and they're kind of fun to look at. Bring a flashlight if you want to look deeper into it. So we walked up to this cave. It's not very impressive. It's just empty. Very short, very shallow. If you want to go cave hunting, the Bighorn Mine, that's where you want to go. I'll leave a link up there so you guys can check that out. Woo. We are climbing now. We are at the 2 hour and 9 minute mark, and we're at the 5 mile mark, so it's looking good. Really just incredible views and a gorgeous day. Really enjoying this peak so far. Beautiful day. There's a marker, but you might see this. Don't get confused. Going up. This video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Cliff Bar, sponsor me.
Notice me, senpai.
Notice me. Oh, keep on going. Good stuff. Top of special shout out to Carrington for his birthday on top of Cucamonga Peak. Hope you're doing well. I would call you right now, but it's like 5 a.m. in Hawaii. So happy birthday, my dude. Take care of yourself, and I hope you enjoy this video when you see it. Yeah. It took us about 2.5 hours to make it to the summit, and I think out of all the peaks I've done, Cucamonga has some of the best views. Check them out. Senor Steven.
Senor.
Esteban.
I want to get home.
We could do it.
Oh, yeah.
So, question for you guys. If I started Patreon, would you support me as I make these videos so I can do more and go to cooler places outside of California? Let me know in the comments down below what you think. We're back here again at the Ice House Saddle. Make sure that you take this trail because this is where the trails diverge and you don't want to go the wrong direction. All right, we just made it down and it feels great. Let's see. So pretty much 12 miles exactly, 3,900 feet of elevation gain, and feeling good.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Good.
Nice. Normally this is where the video would end, but since today's this special July 25th film your day, you can continue to watch with me throughout the rest of this day. I don't really know what I have planned, but we'll see where it takes us. So if you're signing off now, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. After that hike, my body is a little bit tight, so we're gonna do some yoga. I found a nice park and enjoy it. I'm back home, I showered, I'm feeling good. So now we have a little bit of behind the scenes. I'm gonna go through the footage now, getting it off the drone, getting it off into the phone. Spend some time editing all of the footage from today, so that's gonna take a little while. I also ate 2 gigantic meals, so I'm feeling good. All right, so don't drive in video, kids, but we're gonna go try to get some drone footage of the sunset to complete this beautiful day. So let's see if we can make it. One of the things I love is my home, and I'm so lucky that I can be in the mountains and on the beach in the same day. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful life. And as far as what's in my pocket, always ready for adventure.